If you want stronger hair, I'm going to show you a couple things that I've been doing. I did this for 6 months last year of 2024, and I just incorporated back into my hair routine a little less than a month. So I have been using Indian powders in my hair as well as other products that really have been strengthening my hair follicles and giving me fullness and the wave back into my hair. Now my hair is getting longer and I do have a little bit older bleach in my hair, so I did start losing that wave. But since I've been using the Indian powders, it has come back into my hair routine without using any products. Now I do use things afterwards, but this is pretty much what the wave looks like right now. And I just want to show you a couple things that I do for my hair routine. So, a couple things that you can do with these Indian powders. I have about 10 different types of Indian powders from Amla to hibiscus, and I will list some of them and show you some of the packs that I use today. You could use them with different things. I've used anything from coconut milk, yogurt, and the list goes on that you can mix these Indian powders with. Some of the benefits for fenugreek powder offers several benefits for hair, including promoting growth, reducing hair fall, and improving scalp health. It's a rich source of proteins, amino acids, and nutrients that can strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and soothe scalp irritation. Some of the benefits for bay leaves offers hair health, including helping to fight fungal and bacterial infections on the scalp, promoting hair growth and combating hair fall. They can also soothe irritated scalps and help with dander and help restore the scalp's natural pH balance. Some of the benefits for coffee in a hair mask: it helps to stimulate hair follicles for growth, exfoliating the scalp and potentially darkening hair color. Caffeine can also improve scalp circulation, leading to healthier and shinier hair.
Ashwagandha reduces stress-related hair loss, promoting hair growth, and improves scalp circulation and strengthens hair follicles. Bhringraj powder is extremely beneficial for uplifting hair health, reduces hair fall, helps with hair growth and hair dandruff. Shikakai powder is beneficial for stronger and thicker hair, soothes scalp, nourishes hair follicles, aids in shine and softness to the hair. Brahmi powder helps to moisturize, detangle, smooth, and protect hair fibers. Mix until smooth. You want a really thick paste. Let the water cool down before you put it on your head and hair. A little side note, since I have been using Indian powders, my hair has become so strong and thick. These powders have vitamin C, antioxidants, which help blood circulation. That means my hair follicles are getting more oxygen and nutrients. So while it might seem like I'm just applying a powder mask, these herbs are working on a deeper level, revitalizing my scalp, reducing inflammation, and giving my hair exactly what it needs to thrive. My hair's not just getting better on the outside, it's healing from within. Make sure you get every strand of hair as well as your scalp. You want to make sure that it is fully saturated.
So, if you've been trying to find things to heal your hair from the inside out, I really highly suggest that you try the Indian powders and leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.